World, I'm Senior Technical Editor Martin Rowe. We're going to take a look at a Heathkit by Daystrom oscilloscope that I bought at a flea market for $5. As you can see over here, it has no BNC connectors, it's just banana jacks. It's got a green screen over the CRT screen, and that green screen has a grid on it. So that's what you would use to try to measure time and voltage. Now we're going to try something that I hope will not cause it to smoke, flash, fire, or anything else. Maybe turn on. Maybe it'll work. We're going to find out. It's alive! Well, sort of. The tubes came on. Look at that. Look at that. They're all lit up. All of those tubes. Now, if we look at the front screen, we see nothing. So that's why I say it's sort of alive. But there it is. I plugged it in, powered it up, and it didn't explode. It didn't catch fire. It's just sitting there warming the room. Okay, this is the other side. You can see that tube, that bright tube there in the back, and all the others are lit up. And it's alive, sort of. Front panel's pretty dead, except that there's a power indicator there that's lit up at the bottom. But the screen itself is quite dark. We'll have to see if we can poke around a little bit. Maybe put a DMM on it. See what we can see for voltages. Okay, I unscrewed the light bulb so we can get a better, almost a night view of it now. Look at that. All right, let's turn it off.